for this first DIY, this is what I'll be using. This Dollar Tree super glue. In particular, this is the one that says you can use it on plastic because this is all plastic stuff. I'm also going to be using some of these champagne glasses to make the little tiered tray. You're going to need some hot glue. I have my little glue sticks, a little bunch of these flowers, this little candy dish, which doesn't have the label, but this is what it looks like just in case you're looking for it at Dollar Tree. Acrylic inspired, acrylic looking. And then you're going to need some of these decorative cake trays that also come from Dollar Tree. So those are all the items you'll be needing for this DIY. So here I'm just going to be peeling all of these papers off. But I've seen some of these on Amazon for so much more than a couple of dollars. So I thought this would make some really cute vanity decor, and I definitely wanted to share with you guys because I never end up showing you. So I'm just going to take a little flower from here. I also have these Dollar Tree beads, so I'm going to be putting some pearls on the little flowers just for an extra touch. I'm just going to be hot gluing those on, and I'm going to put it like this. So that'll be super cute, but I do want to add these little beads to the rose. Some hot glue. This looks so pretty. Try not to burn your fingers like me. Look how cute it's starting to look. I'm going to use my crazy glue. It's like perfect for this. It's like the perfect size. And I'm also going to apply hot glue around here because I feel like if I do it on the bottom, it's not going to turn out that great. Don't forget your flour. And then we're going to stick it down. I love this for vanity decor. You can use it for your makeup. I think skincare would also look really pretty on here with all your little skincare products from Dollar Tree. Beauty blenders would be perfect on the top, or like maybe some makeup sponges. I think it's super cute and kind of delicate, and I did want it to look kind of like acrylic. So you definitely could spray paint this if that's the look you're going for. I've decided I want to put little pearls around the edge here, just so you guys know what I'm doing, because I always like to change things up on you guys and then you have no idea. So here it is. That's what I'm doing, and I'm going to do that for the top. For the top here, I'm going to use, I have 4 roses left from my little bouquet. So I'm going to attach them onto here. I feel like hot glue works really well for this. This is also going to hide some of the imperfections from the glue, because like I said, I want it to look clear. The last one will go over here, and I just literally put hot glue everywhere. You can put some there too. That way it sticks. So there we go. It's looking so fabulous. It's looking fabulous. There we go. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you like my little tiered tray from Dollar Tree? So for this next vanity organization idea, I'm going to be using this display easel from Special Moments. They also have black ones. This is the large option. They also have some that come 2 for $1, But again, I'm really going for that like clear acrylic look for my vanity, so I definitely think this is going to work. If you have maybe a different room decor, maybe black matches your room decor, they also have that, or you can also spray paint these. I thought this would be perfect to display some of my makeup palettes. Normally I store them in these book bins from Dollar Tree as well. This is part of their school organization. I did want to see how this would look with the display easel here. Some really cute ones. I think it looks so pretty, and it actually holds more than I was expecting it to hold. I think that looks so cute. What do you guys think? I think it looks really pretty, and it actually worked out really well to hold some of my makeup palettes. And I love that you can still see the clear look. A really great way to organize your vanity. So for this next DIY, I'm going to be using these scalloped containers that you can get in the party section. They usually have all of these like great acrylic inspired looking pieces in their party section at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use these as makeup brush like holders, but you can also put other things in here, like other makeup products. You could put, like I said, beauty blenders, sponges, all that fun stuff. I'm going to be using this lace ribbon that I've had forever, and I need to use it up. And I'm also going to be using this like baby pink ribbon. These stickers are not that hard to peel off, so that's always a plus, you know. I'm also going to measure around and see where I want to place it. I hope these ideas are helpful, and I hope that they're easy for you to do. I think they turned out so cute. Let me know in the comments what you think and which one was your favorite. I'd love to hear. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys!